Now we learn how to do the currency conversion in CDS View. To convert a currency from the source to target, we can make use of inbuilt currency conversion function directly in the CDS View instead of selecting the conversion rate from the tables and performing the manual calculation. So here is the format to use the currency conversion formula. This is the formula, or this is the function. To this function, first we have to pass the amount, source currency, target currency, and the exchange rate date, because the exchange rate is different on a different date. So all this detail we have to pass to our CDS view, and based on that we can get that value in a new field after this, as we can give any name here. So here it is, converted price. Fine. So let's log into our Eclipse ADD system and we'll add this currency conversion in our last created CDS view. So this CDS view we have created. Here we have amount in the net WR. Fine. So what I will do, after delivery confirmation, I will add one field here. So here what I will do, I will type currency, currency conversion, and here you can see the message, press shift plus enter to insert full signature. This is optional. If you know all the details, you can type manually. So what I will do here, I press shift and enter. Currency conversion, shift enter. Fine. And here first is my amount field. So amount field I will pass as net WR. Second is the source currency. Okay, so my source currency is from the same table. This is WAERK. WAERK. Target currency. Take example, I want all in INR. Okay, so let me hard code first, INR, and the exchange rate date, on which date we want to exchange. So I want to perform the calculation on ER date. Okay, so I'm passing here ER date, and if you see this error message here, an alias name must be assigned for the expression currency conversion. So now first, like as let's say price INR, by default I want to see in INR, and now here is the error message because we have to add the function currency conversion. Target currency has incorrect data type, so here we have to use cast function to assign the proper data type. Cast INR can say as WAERK. Fine. Now no error. Reference information missing. Fine. I think this should work. So here we have to pass the amount, source currency, target currency with the proper type, okay, with the cost functionality, and then the field name. Okay, let's save, check this warning message, no issue, activate. Okay, so it is activated. Now press F8 to see the output. See here we can see one additional column as price in INR. So whenever the date is INR, you can see the same amount, and for other we can see the converted formula based on the exchange rate which is there in the demo system. Fine. So in this way, we can use the currency conversion. Same way, we can use the quantity as well. Sometimes we need to convert each into bag or let's say pallet, etc. So for currency and quantity conversion, now we don't have to perform any additional activity. Just do the same directly at a database level. And here, as of now, I pass hardcode value. But here it is also possible to pass this through parameters. Means in which currency we want to see the output that we can pass as a parameter. Fine. So in this way, we're done with this session on currency conversion in the CDS view. Thank you.